You've probably seen these VOX-Style animations before. It looks like they were made by a professional studio. But what if I told you you can create the same style of Vox animation using only free AI tools? No After Effects. No animation experience. No production team. Just one master prompt that turns any topic into a fully detailed VOX-Style animation that keeps the audience to watch until the very end. In this video, I'll show you how to go from a simple idea to the script, visuals, voiceover, and finally, a complete VOX-Style explainer video. And I'll give you the exact master prompt I use to make the entire process much faster. Let's get started. To get started, you only need one master prompt. I've customized this prompt to handle the entire workflow, from generating content ideas and writing the script to creating the visuals and turning them into a complete VOX-Style animation. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a list of topic ideas. Go through the suggestions and choose the one you like. And if you don't like the topic ideas, simply write in the prompt box, "More ideas." You'll get a fresh list of new topic ideas. For this example, I'll go with the secret that made Dubai explode. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will now ask you to choose the video length. You can select from different durations depending on your project. For this demonstration, I'll go with 1 minute, but you can choose any length you need. Enter your preferred duration and hit enter again. ChatGPT will generate a 1-minute script based on the topic you have selected, including a strong hook, clear introduction, and a structured ending. Now simply type next. This time, ChatGPT will break the script into individual visual beats and generate a dedicated image prompt for each line or concept. As you can see, we now have up to 16 text-to-image prompts. Now simply type next once more. ChatGPT will generate a universal video prompt that can be applied to all the visuals created in the previous step. And now comes the part that saves a huge amount of time. Scroll back up to the section where all the image prompts are generated and simply copy all the image prompts. Then open Google Flow and create a new project. Make sure agent mode is selected. Open the settings and choose landscape for the image format and select Nano Banana Pro as the image model. Before pasting the prompts, type insert all scenes. Then paste all of your image prompts and hit generate. Flow's agent will now process all the prompts and generate the visuals in bulk instead of making you create every image individually. Once they're finished, go through the images and make sure each scene matches your story and visual style. Up to this point, most of the workflow can be done for free. If you want to continue using the free version, simply download the generated images and use your available Google Flow credits to animate them. The free plan currently gives you a limited number of video generations per day, so you can work through the project in batches. If you have a pro account, however, you can generate the entire sequence in one go. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the universal video prompt. Again, type insert all scenes and paste the prompt. Now scroll back up, select all of your generated images, and drag them into the prompt box. Click Generate and wait for Flow's agent to prepare the task. It will show you the generation details and how many credits the process will use. Review the task, approve it, and let Flow generate the entire animation sequence. And now let's check the results. As you can see, we have exactly what we wanted, a clean paper cut, Vox-inspired animation style with consistent visuals across the sequence. Before moving into editing, rename your video clips in numerical order. This small step can save you a huge amount of time later. Once everything is labeled, download the complete set of clips into a dedicated folder. Now we need a voiceover. Copy the original script generated by ChatGPT and open ElevenLabs. Paste the script, remove any headings or instructions, and choose a voice that matches the tone of your documentary. Click Generate, and your voiceover is ready.
Dubai looks like a city that appeared from nowhere.
ElevenLabs also offers a free tier with limited credits, so you can test the workflow without immediately paying for a subscription. Now open CapCut and create a new project. Import all of your video clips and the voiceover. Arrange the clips according to their scene numbers and align each one with a corresponding line of narration. If necessary, increase the playback speed slightly and trim any unnecessary sections. Once everything is synchronized, add subtle background music and adjust the audio levels so the narration remains clear. And that's it. Your complete VOX-Style AI animation is ready.
Dubai looks like a city that appeared from nowhere. But the real secret wasn't oil. It was location. Before the skyscrapers, Dubai was a small trading center built around Dubai Creek. Its leaders realized something powerful. Dubai sat between Europe, Asia, and Africa, right on major trade routes. So instead of waiting for oil to make them rich, they built something bigger, a global business machine. Ports came first, one of the world's most influential free zones. Companies were given unusually attractive conditions to set up and trade. Then Dubai connected everything: shipping, aviation, finance, real estate, tourism, and eventually luxury. The genius was diversification. Dubai transformed itself from a trading economy into a global hub, reducing its dependence on oil. Today, Dubai's economy is driven heavily by non-oil sectors, including tourism, real estate, transportation, and manufacturing. Dubai didn't simply build skyscrapers, it built a system designed to make the world come to Dubai.
From one simple topic, we've gone from idea generation, script, visuals, animation, voiceover, final edit, using a workflow that removes most of the repetitive work. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to AI Bits, and let me know what topic you'd like to turn into a VOX-style animation next.